Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite tips. Today we are going to make 3-cup chicken, 三杯鸡. This dish is one of the top 10 dish when I go to the Chinese restaurant. It's very delicious. And the name of the 3-cup chicken is because we need the 1 cup of cooking wine and 1 cup of sesame oil and 1 cup of soy sauce. That's why people call it 3-cup chicken. And it's very easy to make. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. We need boneless chicken leg, 3 big pieces. Thai basil, about 1 handful. 12 cloves of garlic. 12 slices of ginger. Ice, sugar, half tablespoon. 1 cup of cooking wine. 1 cup of soy sauce. And 1 cup of sesame oil. So, the first step, we are going to cook the boneless chicken. We use a wok, turn on to the max heat, and wait until the pot is hot. Okay, so when the wok is hot, then we are going to put our boneless chicken, the skin side down. Let it cook until it's golden brown. So it takes about 8 minutes to turn golden brown. So we turn the other side and let it cook until it's fully cooked. So it takes about another 8 minutes. Okay, after 8 minutes, the chicken is already cooked. We turn off the heat, and I'm going to move the chicken to the cutting board. Now I'm going to cut the chicken into big pieces. Ooh, it's very crunchy. Okay, and we're going to cook the 3-cup chicken. And now I'm going to use a Sesame pot, or you can use the same pot we cook the chicken as well. Just take away the extra chicken oil. Now turn on the heat to the maximum and between medium heat. Yeah, we don't want the heat too big. We burn the sesame oil too fast. So first, we're going to add 1 cup of sesame oil. If you don't like too oily, you can decrease the sesame oil to half. ginger slice inside our pot. We are going to cook the ginger slice until it's golden brown. So now the ginger slice is turning golden brown. We're going to add the garlic. Okay, so you can smell the garlic. We are going to add the ice sugar. Okay, and when the ice sugar is melt, we pour back the chicken. Because the chicken is very juicy, so be careful when you pour the chicken inside. Okay, and now we are going to add 1 cup of soy sauce. Okay, this is 1 cup. Give it a stir. It smells so good. Now it's the time to add our last cup of cooking wine. Ooh, careful. First is wine. Stir. Cover the lid to let it cook about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the lid, stir, and let it cook for another 3 minutes to get rid of extra sauce. And the sauce will coating on the chicken. As you can see, the sauce is getting thicker. This is the result we want. And then turn off the heat. Add the Thai basil leaf inside. Use the remaining temperature to cook the Thai basil. Alright, it's done. I'm going to move the chicken into the serving bowl. Alright, so this is our 3-cup chicken. It goes really well with the rice. So you might need to prepare more rice for this dish. And let me know your favorite dish when you go to the Chinese restaurant in the comment below, as well as any feedback. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!